Man, I can't even do it now.
What happened?
Your mic's way down by your ankles.
Get it. Okay, sorry. Okay, just finish.
Yeah,
just do it.
Sure.
Okay. Chorizo lasagna fucking on deck. We're coming through. We're coming down. Get fucking ready for the ruckus.
Okay, I made a lasagna once.
That lasagna's kind of trash.
What? I fucking said, like, guaranteed to get you laid lasagna.
I guarantee you'll get laid.
I made literally that lasagna video in start to finish 45 minutes.
And I was furious the whole time making it.
That's how good I am at acting. I'm an actor.
That's dark.
The video, not lasagna, I don't know. I'm gonna make a new lasagna, cause you know what?
Not everyone did get laid.
We gotta spice it up and make sure that everyone out here is having sex because of the food that they're making. I can make fucking 2 lasagnas. I've done a couple burger videos. Like, I don't give a fuck anymore, you know? I'm doing this for me. Fuck! My thoughts are my thoughts. Oh my God. That's my IP. No one's taking my IP.
No.
Chorizo! Chorizo is a spicy sausage. It is incredible. Learn to love it. And I am gonna make a chorizo lasagna. And then we're gonna make, you know what's amazing about this? We're gonna make a little bit of a salsa verde to go along with our chorizo lasagna. I'm gonna be truly honest with you guys. I have never made this before ever. And that's the kind of fucking ground I'm trying to break. You guys are at home being like, I've never made a lasagna. I've never made pancakes. I've never made. Am I the first thing that you've ever seen in your life? This is the things that happen on the internet. You've never seen anything ever before. And somehow you managed to find me. Well, welcome. And this is a cooking show literally about nothing. Let us begin. So this is fresh chorizo. So I'm gonna just start with just enough canola oil, not a ton. This chorizo, I don't know. It's just literally, it's the best chorizo maybe in the world. I've never had like better chorizo than fucking Leo's at Segovia in Kensington Market. Apple box, scooching.
We're scooching.
Not today, we're not scooching today, guys. You know, fuck it. If there's no fucking towels on set, I don't care anymore. So, this chorizo cooks really quickly. And once again, we don't have to cook this for a long time. The smell of this chorizo is literally, it's intoxicating. It's intoxicating. It's filling the house. The smell's incredible. Incredible. Do I say this like once an episode? I'm like, describing food is the darkest thing in the fucking world. It's filling the house and it smells like paprika, and smoked paprika, and garlic.
Paprika.
It's filling the nostrils and I'm enjoying it so much.
Oh, I'm here stirring a pot. Oh, ho, ho.
It's like, come on, man, I'm just making some fucking chorizo. Like, you fucking all know what chorizo's like. This is good to go. GTG, that's a nice thing to say. Here on It's a Snack. I don't even know the name of our show. This is tomato puree. So we got about 2 pounds. We got 2 pounds of chorizo right here. I'm gonna add about 1 cup of tomato puree. Okay. Instantly it goes everywhere, perfect. And now I'm gonna add just enough beef stock. That's about 2 cups of beef stock. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce this. And we're gonna use this as our really simple chorizo ragu. And this chorizo ragu, let me tell you, would be good fucking on anything. You grab a fucking dirty shoe, fill it up with this, whoa! You would clean that puppy right up.
Actually, don't put this food in fucking a dirty shoe. It's very disrespectful.
I'm not gonna do that. Dude, this shit's so cracking. Now, we are gonna make, oh man, it's so good, I'm gleeking. Remember gleeking? You'd gleek? So, I got some ricotta. About 2 cups of ricotta. Throw that in a bowl. We got some really nice queso fresco. Just break that up. And now what I'm gonna do is crack 2 eggs in there. Cracking 2 eggs in there. Yeah.
Get your hands in there.
Yeah. We're just gonna work this. And this is gonna be our filler in our lasagna. Oh my God. I don't know why I did my hands.
Yeah.
Just take a moment. Wash your hands. Look out the window. It's nice out there today. Once again, just still no towels on set. So as this is reduced, oh. I didn't think you wanted me to have any. Here we go. So we got our ricotta, we got our queso fresco, we got 2 eggs in here. And now, I'm gonna add some Parmesan. Yeah, so about 1 cup of Parmesan. We're gonna just incorporate this in with our ricotta and our queso fresco. Oh boy. I wanna add some fresh cracked pepper. It's so nice with those fresh cheeses. It is so nice. Boom. Let's taste that.
Is everyone at home freaking out because I'm eating like this with raw egg in it?
Gonna take more than that to kill this old big boy.
So we're just gonna be cooking this. Reduce the chorizo. Oh, reduce that. That's nice. Need some salt. Wow. It is spicy. Let's taste this again. Oh. Reduce that all the way till it's like sludgy. It's gonna take 10 minutes. I have everything else ready. This whole show is just me waiting. Figuring out how to describe how to wait. You know how much work it is to make everything on one fucking thing? I can do one thing at fucking once.
He's going off script.
Maddie's going off script. I'm boiling now. And now we gotta make the cheese. You start doing 2 things at once and you're rat fucked. I've been making an entire cooking show off of 1 fucking stupid induction burner that takes an hour to get hot. I'm Matty Matheson, and I cooked my entire life on 1 stupid induction burner for you. Memoir by Matty Matheson. Fuck! I just wanted to make lasagna. This is the best lasagna. That's it. I don't know. Have I what? Have I been arrested before? I'm not about to fucking rat on myself. You never rat on yourself.
You think I look like this and haven't been arrested?
Okay! That looks like good, really nice meat sauce, doesn't it? Looks like bolognese. That nice red color from all the paprika. So now what we're gonna do is build our lasagna! This lasagna is my favorite. Even though I've never made it before, it is 100% my favorite. Meat sauce down so nothing sticks and burns. That's our kind of like our barrier. That gets nice and crispy and allows us to scoop up. We take our easy bake noodles, because these are the best. I don't know why anybody would use anything else. Like, I know if you were to roll out real fresh pasta for lasagna, that'd be really nice, wouldn't it? Nobody's got fucking time, and then you gotta cook them and blah. Oh my God! What was that? Someone sneeze? I don't know why I just used my hands again. Noodles, meat, cheese, stack it up. Put down some of the mozzarella. Take a little bit of that dried oregano. Oh, this is nice. A little bit of sauce. Whoa, excuse me. I put the meat down, and then I did a cheese layer. And then I put the noodles down, and then I put some meat. And now we're gonna do another thing of the ricotta. You know, just make the lasagna, meat, noodles, cheese, man. Oh, a little parm in there, a little mozzarella. Oh, I love this. Some of the mozzarella. And then we got some of the parm. Fucking incredible. Lastly, we have some tomato sauce, just regular tomato sauce. And I'm just gonna put little blops on top. Little tomato sauce. And then once again, just a little more of the oregano. Woo-wee! This chorizo lasagna.
Oh, chorizo lasagna.
Oh my God. In the oven, 350. 1 hour. Yeah! Now, guess what we do? We wait because we don't even have another one of those. So we wait. That's a cut. I just use this as like one of the pasta noodles as like a nacho chip. That's not good. Chorizo lasagna!
I'm the producer. I'm the director.
The fucking motions we go through on this show. Does it even edit together? Put on my stupid gloves. You can buy these at mattymatheson.store. We thought of that. Oh, good thing I'm such a good cook, aren't I? Good thing I'm such a good cook. That's the fucking where you keep the fucking cookies. Guess what, everyone? We made a new lasagna on Just a Dash. This one's way better. Yeah! You can buy these at mattymatheson.store. Do you ever think how much you're killing it? Okay, get off my phone. I'm literally shooting a TV show. Look at this lasagna. Crispy edges, oil bubbling, tomato sauce on top. And then you really want to let it rest for about 10, 15 minutes, maybe even longer. Still gonna be hot. Oof. That's fucking good. What about the salsa verde? We didn't even talk about the salsa verde. We didn't add any herbs, right? We didn't add any parsley, any basil, none of that stuff. I want to add just another layer. Whatever you want to do, guys. This is the thing. Look at this mint. This is what I'm getting on set.
Michelle.
What? This is what No, this is the one you chose to bring out. I like this one. This bunch of mint right here is a perfect representation of Just a Dash. And you know why? Because this is real life. So just mint, green onion, cilantro, parsley, chop that up. Boom, garlic, boom, in it. If there's Oscars for YouTube, I think that we're gonna win. I don't know if we'd ever win for the food because the food's always dog shit. But you know what fucking rips? Our set. Right, fucking, this is a perfect, like that mint before was a perfect representation of my entire show. No, this is a perfect, there's not even anything attached to the stem that's in there. Fuck me. Jalapeno. I love a jalapeno. Jalapeno, spice up your life. How do you do? I want it to be spicy. I'm gonna keep the seeds in. I just want some herbs and some heat. And some acid. So lots of lime juice, lime zest. Zesting one lime for you from me. Making salsa verde for my chorizo pie. We're gonna add the juice. Yeah, 1, 2, oh fuck. 2. And now, olive oil. Stir that around. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Couple cranks of the old pea mill. Pepper mill it up. Pepper milling. About fucking 5-6 cranks. About 5-6 cranks. Towards doing another hand gesture. So, and this is a true representation. This is my set. And then this is my mind. This is my mind crush. I have my mind crush. And then, you know, when you're out there and you know all this shit that I'm talking about, how I'm fucking always cooking for my friends. I hate cooking for my friends. I hate having people over my house. I don't even like cooking at home. I want to order in pizza and fucking eat pizza because there's no mess. Look at, it's fucking rat fucked my whole life.
Oh, you can tell when I've been shooting a long time and I just don't care anymore.
That's disgusting.
What is the problem?
There's no problem.
That's fire. Why am I even serving a salsa verde with a lasagna? Because it's fucking nice. So this is a $700 knife. You use it to cut into ceramics. Cut it into squares. Pull it out. Psh, boom, on the plate. I don't even have a plate. I love you, so I need you more now than ever.
Okay, I'm gonna just stand right here.
This smells so good. The smokiness. The chewy. Oh, the chewy cheese. I can't even stop being who I am. Do you smell that? The chorizo, smokiness of the paprika, the garlic, the cooked down ragu. I could smell the cheese. You can't really at all, but you can smell the crust of the cheese. Now, salsa verde on top, it's a wrap. Gifts. This is crazy. This smokes the other one. I knew if I was gonna do a lasagna, it was gonna have to be better than my last one. Yeah, and this fucker. That's full Banana Town right there. This lasagna is fucking mental. It's the best thing I've ever eaten. Every episode is the best thing I've ever eaten. Do I say that every episode?
Squeaking sick.
It's true. I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm not wearing a shirt because I literally can't find the shirt. So I think I was probably mad or sad, and I probably threw it somewhere.
Locked and loaded.
YouTube, hit the like button. Leave the dog shit fucking comments in the basement. Let's go. That's the best lasagna you've ever made. If you didn't get laid from the other one before and you don't get laid from this one, you're the problem. Have a great day. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really want you guys to subscribe. You know, I'm going to be putting up lots more stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe.